Hey guys, let's see a little video about one on 7 Plus smartwatch, the charging cable. Let's say the charging cable. Is this cable like the cable of a normal mobile charger? Not being inserted. Just see. Slightly a little bigger. So we follow the video. And if the cable is lost, it will be so difficult for us to charge. Just see the original cable with the one on 7 Plus smartwatch. So slightly a little bigger. Just carefully charge and save the cable. So carefully take care the cable that is provided with the one on 7 Plus smartwatch. Thanks a lot for watching the video.